Short circuit level is the amount of current that flows on the system during a fault. These faults can be caused by a lightning strike, weather conditions, or equipment failure. During the fault, the system can see a direct connection to the earth and current flows from all sources into it. SCL is vital during such a fault as it helps us to maintain system voltage. If we get a disturbance, then a stronger system will dampen it out quickly. It's just the same as how a strong bridge with reinforced joints would wobble but settle quickly when placed under force. If we operate a system with low SCL, it may take longer to recover after a disturbance. The short circuit ratio SCR is a measure used in power systems to indicate the strength of the grid relative to the connected generation capacity. It is defined as the ratio of the short circuit current at a particular point in the system to the full load current of the connected generators. A higher SCR indicates a stronger grid, while a lower SCR suggests a weaker grid. Large coal and gas generation create 5 times more fault current compared to wind and solar. A 100 megawatts generation would provide in the region of 500 to 700 MVA of short circuit level. Wind farms are limited by the rating their electronic component, so the same level of generation may provide only around 100 MVA of SCL. A short circuit current can be very large. If unusually high currents exceed the capability of protective devices, fuses, circuit breakers, etc., it can result in large, rapid releases of energy in the form of heat, intense magnetic fields, and even potentially as explosions known as an arc blast. The heat can damage or destroy wiring, insulation, and electrical components. An arc blast produces a shock wave that may carry vaporized or molten metal, and can be fatal to unprotected people who are close by. Fault current calculations are necessary to properly select the type, interrupting rating, and tripping characteristics of power and lighting system circuit breakers and fuses. Results of the fault current calculations are also used to determine the required short circuit ratings of power distribution system components, including bus transfer switches, variable speed drives, switchboards, load centers, and panel boards. Use short circuit analysis to determine fault currents either through simulation software ETAP, PSSE, dig silent, or manual calculations based on system impedance. Values SCR greater than 3 typically indicates a strong grid, suitable for integrating renewable energy or large generators. SCR smaller than 3 indicates a weaker grid, which may require additional stability measures when connecting new generators.